Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to direct message on Instagram app. Let's start. At first you have to open your Instagram app. After that, if you want to direct message to a person, then tap on the account. You can search them by tapping on here. Also, you can go to your account, and if you want to send direct message to your following or your followers, tap on them. For example, I want to send a message to the person that I'm right now following. Just tap on here for this, then tap on the account. After that, you can see a message option here. Tap on here, and then you can send direct message to the person like this way. Then tap on send, or you can send a voice message, or you can send stickers. Also, you can share your videos or photos from your gallery by tapping on here. So this is the process to direct message on Instagram app. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.